So, ano tong 7 piece of marketing ni Boons at saka ni Bitne? So, ito yung extension ng 4 piece of marketing o yung traditional marketing mix. Yung 4 piece, review natin is product, price, place, promotion. So, yun yung 4 na piece ng traditional marketing mix. Pero dito sa 7 piece of marketing, dinagdag nila yung people, physical evidence, at yung process. Yung people is yung directly and indirectly involved doon sa marketing service, yung mga tao. And then yung physical evidence, kung ano yung nahahawakan, nakikita nila. Basta yung lahat ng naano ng kanilang nasisense ng kanilang senses, yun yung physical evidence, lalo na yung nakikita at nahahawakan. And then yung process, ano yung process na pinagdadaanan ng product? Kasama yun sa marketing mix. So yun yung 7 piece of marketing na extension ng 4 piece. No? So, ano yan eh. Kumbaga, sa mga tech companies, nagagawa nila yung 4, pero dapat nabibigyan din nila ng consideration yung 3 pang natitira. Yung 4 nagiging 7 dahil kailangan nilang bigyan ng consideration yung people, physical evidence, at saka process, which is importante sa isang marketing mix. Kaya ini-extend yon from a traditional marketing mix to yung more modern or adaptable marketing mix. So, yun lang po.